We've made updates in our group fitness studio's design with your health and safety in mind. Class reservations are now required and can be made using our member portal, Empower Me. You are able to book a reservation 48 hours in advance. Reservations allow for proper physical distancing and prevent overcrowding in our studios. If you cannot attend a class, you must cancel within 2 hours of the class time. Studio doors open 10 minutes before the start of the class. The instructor will welcome you in, let you know what equipment to grab, and check you in for the class. We've enhanced our cleaning protocols so you can enjoy your favorite classes with more confidence. A modified class schedule allows for more time in between classes for cleaning and studio rest. Thank you for helping us maintain a safe community within our center.